We've all admired Elon Musk for revolutionizing space, cars and technology. But beyond SpaceX and Tesla, there's something else that was clearly interesting for his fans. Yes, that's his hair. From the early 20s where he had a less dense to the recent times where he has a well-defined hairline, there's just one question that sparks curiosity among his fans. Did Elon Musk get a hair transplant? Hi, I'm Dr. Nikita and welcome to Celebrity Hair Transplant Secrets by Max Hair Clinic, where I decode celebrities' hair transformation fact by fact and follicle by follicle. Let's rewind to the PayPal eras. In the early 1990s, in photos of Elon Musk, there was a noticeable hair thinning where his hairline was receding and his crown was exposed. He was in his late 20s, probably 25 to 27, where he showed significant classic signs of male pattern balding. In science, we call it androgenetic alopecia, where the hairline recedes and the crown starts to show. So this is a clear sign that age does not catch up with your hair. Fast forward to Elon Musk's appearance post-Tesla launch, his hair looked a bit more denser. And this is a significant sign of a surgical intervention, where FUE, follicular unit extraction, was performed, not giving a thick hairline but actually increasing the density where the skin was exposed. One of Elon Musk's biggest achievement was his hairline because it did not scream hair transplant. It had soft corners, it blended very naturally, it was age appropriate and it was very beautiful for his facial aesthetics. This is why it is important to choose the right tool which actually blends with your facial aesthetics, does not show that you've done something. So when you come to Max Hair Clinic, we have tools which actually customizes to your desire and your facial features. So we here use a Sapphire blade where it gives us accurate density and accurate precision, because when it comes to hairline, it is an art. For example, when it comes to the sides, your hair has to blend backwards, but when it comes to your crown, it actually has to go spiral. So a tool that actually abides to these directions is your Sapphire stone. So whether you're launching rockets or just running daily meetings, hair confidence matters. So if you're ready to restart, consult right away. Drop into Max Hair Clinic. Stay tuned to know who's the next celebrity we will be decoding in our Celebrity Hair Transplant Secrets. And this is Dr. Nikita signing off.